Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math one day before an exam. First, focus your energy on understanding the core concepts and essential formulas. Review your past homework and quizzes to pinpoint common mistakes you've made. Prioritize the topics that carry the most weight or points on your upcoming test. This targeted approach ensures you cover the most critical material efficiently, making the most of your limited time. Next, engage in targeted practice. Work through a few example problems for each key concept, but don't get bogged down in endless exercises. Identify and address your weakest areas first, as these offer the greatest opportunity for improvement. Avoid spending too much precious time on topics you have already mastered, and instead, concentrate your efforts where they are most needed. Now, let's talk about essential tools. Create a concise formula sheet with all the important equations you might need. Use mnemonics or visual aids to help you remember particularly difficult concepts. Practice writing out these formulas from memory several times. This active recall will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence for the exam. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. Eat a healthy, balanced meal to fuel your brain. Arrive early at the exam venue and bring all necessary materials, such as pencils, an eraser, and a calculator. Being well-rested and prepared will significantly enhance your performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.